Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Rel with thelazyrichguy.com, and today I want to show you guys how to dropship on Poshmark. But before I get started, please hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Alright, so if you ever heard of Poshmark, I know a lot of people heard of Poshmark, and you could just sell like things in your house and stuff. Sell anything, man. You can sell from your shoes to jackets to hats, glasses, anything you have, you can sell on there. It's like a social media platform for selling. And I think it's the best platform for selling, as if it's like a social media type of thing, because you can connect with people. But so if you want to drop ship on here, it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how I do it. So basically you want to sign up, and also I'll put a link if you want to sign up with Poshmark as well. So basically you want to go log in. Say if you created an account, whatever, I already got an account, so I'm just going to log in. Okay. So I'm gonna log in. And I'm gonna just go to the app. So make sure that you download the app as well, so you can do it that way. All right, so I'm gonna go to my shop real quick. Hold on. Go to the app. All right, it's not letting me go, so I'm gonna just go manually. Where is it at? Okay. Don't know why it made me do all this for some reason. Alright, so I'm in the app. Alright, so let's go to, I'm gonna show you my closet real quick. It's my closet. I have a bunch of jewelry, accessories, stuff like that. So that's what I sell. Some of the items on here is for drop shipping, like this item right here. I'm drop shipping this item. So I'm selling it for $3.49, but I'm most likely paying about a good $179 for it. So that's what I'm drop shipping. Okay. Alright, so basically what you want to do is you want to find out where you want to get your items. So here's one item that I had actually drop shipped on here. I'll go to my sold section, go to my sales, and this is one item that I had drop shipped recently. So this is a bracelet. It's a diamond Miami Cuban link bracelet, and I had shipped this bracelet. And I sold it for $300. But like I said, keep in mind that is a 20% fee that they're going to charge you. So this $300 came down to $240 because it's about $60 off. And when I listed it, I'm going to show you where I found it. So I listed it and then it sold. So I just bought it from somewhere else and had them ship it directly to the customer, which was a problem. You wanted to ship directly to you, because they want you to use their shipping labels. If you don't use the shipping label, they will delay your payment. So definitely think about that and have it shipped to you first so you can use the label. So I'm going to show you where I purchased the item from. And I actually got it from Amazon. So when I purchased it from Amazon, go to orders. Okay, so when I purchased the item, and go to it, I actually bought it for $35, and shipping was free. I paid for overnight, which I should have never did, but I sent it that way. But it only cost me $34 or $35. So if you do the equation right, and they take a 20% out of that, put that back up there. So if you do 300, say I gotta move myself somewhere, 300, and you take 20% from 300, you got $60. So we then subtract $60 from 300, you got $240. So that's what I'm getting back after I sold the item. So take out what I spent on dropshipping item, which was $34.99. You have $205. So you see, I obviously triple my money, of course, to $205 from the $399 or $300. So you can see it's a lot of money I made from that sale, and it was very easy. The item I bought was like super cheap, and it didn't cost me or any time to do it. So you could definitely easily drop ship an item from here. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you drop ship an item right quick. So let's go back to Poshmark. Right, and go back. Okay. Now this is another item I just sold. So I just sold this item right here. And you can see I sold it for $65. So it's a 5mm CZ Eternity Engagement Wedding Band. And I sold it for $65. My earnings is $52. So what I did was I purchased. So I'm gonna find the item. I remove myself again. So I'm gonna find this item. 5mm CZ Eternity. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna find that item, which is, I think that's it right here. Let's see. Yep. So this is it right here. So I found the item. And you could basically buy it for $21. So if you do $21 for free shipping to you, $21.99, and sold it for $65. So let's say we're gonna go to see how much you made off of this. So they gave us about $52, right? Okay. All right, so you do 65, take 20% out of that, which is $13. Minus 13 equals $52 minus $21.99. So I made an easy $30 just drop shipping that, which was pretty easy. So I'm gonna order that and send it out to the customer. So that was really easy. So you can either go on eBay and purchase your items off of eBay. So it just depends on where you wanna, drop ship from. So I go to eBay, I go to Amazon. So it just depends on where you want to go to. So let's say we want to sell another item. Let's say a hot item. So let's do another jewelry item. We're going to do the cheap items because we can flip it easier and people don't understand how much they really cost. So let's say simulated necklace. Let's see, simulated. Oops, I'm going to do that. Simulated diamond earrings. Okay. So we go to diamond earrings, which is $22. All right. Or something even cheaper than that. But either way, we're going to do this. So we're going to go here. You're going to see this item. You're going to copy the picture. So let's download image. So I download the image. Right? You see everything is 1 carat. I'm going to copy the title. Actually, so all you're doing is copy and paste, really. Go back to Poshmark and go to sell. And like to do this, you need to have some money because at the end of the day, they don't give you any money until you ship the item. So please have some money on the back end to be able to purchase your items. So doesn't matter, you know what I'm saying. Okay, let's see if we can just paste this in here. Paste. All right, there we go. We'll get a description. See what they wrote about it. Features. Just have a little bit. Don't matter. Hold up. It ain't letting me do it, but you can just say 2 pairs. Who cares? It's just gibberish. So you can put what it is. Alright. Jewelry. Earrings. Quantity. We can just say 1 for right now. So 1. Size. 1 size fit all. You don't need to put a brand. You can just leave that blank, really. So let's go back out of that. You can say color if you want. Newer tags, new. That's always a plus. Alright. Put original price. Always put the price high so they think they be getting a good deal, of course. I'm going to put 200. So remember, they taking the 20%. They're going to tell you right here how much you're going to actually get after you sell it. So if it's 20, how much is this again? It's $22.95. Let's see if you sold it for about $60, right? Like I did. So let's say we did $60. You get $48. So if we make $48 on that, then you'll see so you'll make $25 off it. So that easy, you can make a profit, and you don't have, you can touch the item or send it out. But like I say, send out once you receive it. So you're just gonna straight list it, publish an item, and boom, it's available. That easy, and you can start sharing your item to your followers, and they can see your item, and someone can buy it. Once they buy it, you just go to the website and sell it and ship it out. Like, I made a lot of money doing drop shipping. I sold a couple items. I made like a good 600 one week when I first started. So it's really easy to make some money on here. So definitely you can do drop shipping on here, or if you got your own items, sell your own items plus do drop shipping. But then again, remember, you have to have some money up front because you want to be able to purchase the item to ship it out so you can get paid. That's the only way. Also, when you make a sale, your payment releases after the buyer receives it. So the buyer receives the package, and they have the opportunity to say, yes, I received it, I'm happy with my purchase. They'll release your payment that same day they receive it. But if they don't, Amazon will get Poshmark will give them 3 days to release the payment. So after 3 days, after clear of delivery, they'll release your payment to you. And you can go to your money sign right here, and you'll see what's pending in your account and what's redeemable. So if you hit redeem, you get your money. So I have some sales that I have to complete so I can get my payments, and I'm waiting on those. But I'm gonna just, okay, I'm gonna redeem it now. So you can see I'm getting my money. So you can easily make some money on here. Now that's being sent to my bank account, so I should see it soon. I got some links below that might be helpful, so definitely click the links below and see if they can be useful for you. Like, subscribe, comment, leave a comment, ask a question, I'll answer it for you. The more questions, the better, so I can help you guys take as much knowledge as you can. So thank you, appreciate it.